Oneida, New York. With just more than a week until classes begin, the Oneida City School District is facing significant challenges due to ongoing repairs at the high school building. Superintendent Matt Carpenter emphasized that major electrical and mechanical repairs are still underway following the June 22 flooding. Classroom tiles have been removed and replacements are on the way, while boilers and water heaters are being repaired. Site work on drainage and parking is also in progress. However, damaged transformers and switchgear present a long lead time, creating uncertainty in the repair timeline. The district collaborates with the New York State Education Department to ensure schedule approval and compliance with student seat time and special education requirements. Meetings have been held to secure additional funding. School leaders have proposed holding classes at the middle school on a split schedule. https://cnycentral.com/news/local/families await details as Oneida students face split schedules after high school closure as the best interim solution. There'll be a crossover time where our high schoolers are ending their day and our middle schoolers are arriving on buses, said Carpenter. But there won't be a time when they're using the same areas and in the same spaces in the same classes. We're working with our staff to ensure that. Class periods will be shortened to 26 minutes for middle school and 25 minutes for high school. Teachers will hold extra sessions outside school hours to support students. Juniors and seniors attending BOCES will continue without disruption. Our schedules are up and running at this point with all, not only special area classes, but the electives that we had in place for students, particularly in high school. They're all up and running, Carpenter said. The periods are shorter, but there's been no cuts to anything like phys ed, art, music, library, anything of that nature. A statement from the Madison County office expressed support for the district's efforts. The Oneida City School District is doing the best it can for the students, staff, and families. They have had to make a lot of difficult decisions over the past few months, the statement said. Madison County Emergency Management has been in touch with the administration since the flood on June 22, providing guidance and assistance with recovery whenever requested. Carpenter emphasized that conversations with the Department of Education are ongoing to ensure all state requirements are met. If our plan is approved and we work through that, we should be good to go in terms of both our in-seat and in-classroom time, along with any synchronous or asynchronous time outside, he said. Regarding the high school, Carpenter noted that progress is being made, but not at a rate that allows for concrete planning. He assured that the district's website and social media are the best sources for up-to-date information on the upcoming school year.